If you find that your machine isn't cutting as expected and is leaving lots to be desired with its cut quality, your blade might need changing. So, as we are focusing on the DX machine, I'm only going to be looking at the DX blades in this video. Basically, you have a protective cap that protects the blade as it's being stored. To reveal the blade to change it, however, you would unscrew the cap. If we take a close look at the blades, you can see the one on the left has a perfect pointed tip. That's what we need for perfect cutting. The one on the right, however, its tip has been snapped off. So, we need to change that one sharpish. To change the blade, we take our spatula, our regular spatula from our scan and cut machine, and use the foam pad that's on the back. We stab the blade into it and lift up. That prevents our fingers from having to come into contact with the blade. Basically mine did because I didn't have a spare blade at this point. In short though, you would remove it from its packaging, insert it into the blade holder and screw the cap closed.